yung pagdating ng ating mga official ballots, sinabi nga ni Atty. Yam, indelible ink, official ballots, election return. So, duly notified naman lahat ang mga candidates natin. It so happen na wala pa sila dito, pero nonetheless, kahit wala sila dito, tayo ay transparent. Bubuksan natin ito, titignan natin na laman. Baka maraming mga sorpresa tayong makita dito. Isa na natin, 8 o'clock po ang usapan. Ngayon, 8:05 na. Okay? So, buksan na po natin. Announce po natin muna ang plastic seal, COMELEC, 05-66062. Pakilista ho doon sa minutes natin. So, cut.
So, ayon sa notice na pinadala namin, darating itong alas 8. Anong oras na ba? Sa ngayon, 8:05 na. So, nakasin pa yung truck eh. So, I think pwede na tayo magsimula. So, ito po yung ating City Treasurer na mangunguna sa pagbukas ng truck at pag-check ng mga official ballot at yung iba pang paraphernalia, si Dr. Anthony Pulmano.
1. Okay, yung susi po nito, bubuksan ho ng representative ng F2 para sa bayan. Nakadilaw. May I know kung anong pangalan ho nyo, kuya?
Edmundo.
Edmundo. Okay. Hindi po. Yan. So, okay na? Meron pa sa gilid. Wing band ko to. Okay. Ito rin, COMELEC number 05-66063. And then, COMELEC number 055948.
Sir, dito na lang tayo magbukas.
Dito.
Yan mo na yan. Okay na lang tayo.
Okay, pwede nang tanggalin yung sticker para mabuksan na. Truck number 7 nito, Parañaque. Galing po ito sa NPO, National Printing Office. Okay. Surprise! Okay, based on the load instruction, ang mga laman po nito sa loob ay ibibigay sa City Treasurer o Parañaque at ang iba naman po ay the City Election Officer ng Parañaque. Babasahin ko po lahat yung mga content nito, no? Nandito po yung indelible ink, election return for SK, election return for barangay, official ballots for SK, official ballots for barangay, indelible ink for PDL voting, indelible ink for PWD voting, canvassing forms, general instruction for BET and BBOC, copy for the EO, paper seal, election return for SK, election return for barangay for District 2, official ballot SK for District 2, official ballots for District 2, barangay, indelible ink, paper seal, additional paper seal yun, no?
Yes, sir.
General instruction for BET and BBOC, copy for EO, indelible stained ink, PDL voting, indelible stained ink, PW canvassing forms and canvassing forms. Okay. So, unloading po natin, ibababa na natin lahat and then we will sort out yung para sa treasury and para sa city election officer.
Ay, kailangan. Sige, sir, ako hawak. Para lang makapag...
Monty. Ikaw mag-announce yan. Boss, walang naman. Believe yan.
CF9, SK.
I-balansin nyo ako.
Second district yan eh. So nandito yan sa...
Second district. CF9.
CF9.
SK. Second district.
SK yan. Kartong banner.
Ayan.
CEF9 Election Return SK.
2 of 3 bundles.
2 of 3 bundles from 2nd District. Ano yan? CF9 SK 3 of 3.
Pagkano mo na, baka mamaya pa tayo magkano. Iwalay pa natin yan.
CEF9 SK 1 out of 3.
Meron yung paper. Okay, sige. Pato. Yan.
Barangay CFP. CF9 Barangay. Barangay.
Ito. CEF9 Election Return Barangay 2nd District.
Ano to? 6 bundles. 4
4 of
of 6.
6. CEF9 2nd District 2 out of 6.
Barangay.
CEF9 Barangay 2nd District 3 out of 6. Ilang ang beto natin? CEF9 Barangay 2nd District 6 out of 6. CEF9 Barangay 2nd District 1 out of 6. Ano lang po yan? CEF9 Barangay 2nd District 5 out of 6. 4 na lang, yung 4. Nandun na yung 4. Okay.
Anim na yan, anim na.
Ito. CEF 6 official ballots, SK 2nd District 11 out of 11. Oo. Yung puro yun muna. Oo, 11. 11 yun. Barangay yan. Barangay to. Puro SK muna. SK yan. CEF 6 SK 2nd District Parañaque City 9 out of 11. CEF number 6 SK 2nd District 6 out of 11. CEF number 6 2nd District SK 3 out of 11. CEF number 6, SK 2nd District, 7 out of 11. CEF number 6, SK 2nd District, 4 out of 11. CEF number 6, 2nd District, SK 10 out of 11. CEF number 6, SK 2nd District, 5 out of 11. CEF number 6, SK 2nd District, 2 out of 11. CEF number 6, SK 2nd District, 1 out of 11. Isa pa. CEF number 6, SK 2nd District, 8 out of 11. Okay na tayo, CEF number 6.
Okay na.
Barangay.
Official ballot sir. Official ballot sir. SK. Ng SK. District 2. Ilan yung bande? Diyan naman, yung 5. Diba? Kasi hindi naka-indicate ang pare.
Official ballot. Second district. CEF number 6, official ballots for barangay, 2nd district, 10 out of district, 5 out of 35. CEF number 6, barangay, 2nd district, 7 out of 35. CEF number 6, official ballots for barangay, 2nd district, 31 out of 35. CEF number 6 for barangay, 2nd district, 32 out of 35. CEF number 6 official ballot for barangay, 2nd district, 4 out of 35. CEF number 6 official ballots for barangay, 2nd district, 635. CEF number 6 2nd district, 3 out of 35. CEF number 6, 2nd District, 26 out of 35. CEF number 6, 2nd District, 18 out of 35. CEF number 6, 2nd District, 13 out of 35. CEF number 6, official ballots for barangay, 2nd district, 16 out of 35. CEF number 6, 2nd district, 9 out of 35. CEF number 6, 27 out of 35. CEF number 6 for barangay, 8 out of 35. CEF number 6 for barangay, 2nd district, 12 out of 35. Ow. CEF number 6 for barangay, 21 out of 35. CEF number 6, 2nd district, 2 out of 35. CEF number 6, 2nd district, 30 out of 35. CEF number 6 for 2nd district, 25 out of 35. CEF number 6, 1 out of 35. CEF number 6 for barangay, 2nd district, 34 out of 35. CEF number 6, 19 out of 35. CEF number 6, 2nd district, 22 out of 35. CEF number 6, wait lang sir. 2nd district, 35 out of 35. CEF number 6, 2nd district, 29 out of 35. May apat pa. Siyam pa. CEF number 6, official ballots for 2nd District, 17 out of 35. Kumpletuhin natin yung 35. CEF number 6, official ballots for Barangay 2nd District, 15 out of 35. CEF number 6 for 2nd District, 33 out of 35. CEF number 6, 11 out of 35. Lima na lang. CEF number 6 for 2nd District, 14 out of 35. CEF number 6, 2nd District, 20 out of 35. CF number 6, 2nd District, 23 out of 35. CF number 6, 28 out of 35. CF number 6, 24 out of 35. Sir, bali yung sa 2nd District po, CF number 6, duly accounted po, 35 out of 35. Saan tayo?
Okay, sama niyo yan dyan.
Number 35, correcting number 1.
Kasi ano pwedeng kunin ko? Packing list lang. Para makita natin yung last number. Ito po, itong packing list.
Ito lang po lista. Sige mo.
Para makita ka naman.
I-offer mo, kunin mo lang yung particular na name.
Yan ito.
Cashier number niya.
I-ano mo sa...
Nakabaliktad pala eh. Kaya yung paglista natin siguro. So ano unahin yung Ibig sabihin, laban ito dapat 1,929. Official ballot for barangay election. 199. So in short, wala akong identification kung which barangay it is. Ang mangyayari, magre-repack.
Yes, magre-repack. Ganun ang mga dating ginagawa.